And a lot of persons were hoping that Rihanna would have been there. And January, you weren't anywhere to be found. Janu, me no know. Me no know. Like, me feel away.
Yeah, way on. Yeah, yeah, way on. Yeah, yeah, way on. Yeah, yeah, way on. Yeah,
What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another episode of the Candid Talk podcast. As usual, this is your host, 876 by birth, and we're here again with another interesting topic. Yeah, man, because you know, we always a scope out the space and analyze what go on, and we there have to give our little 2 cents, share our opinion. You understand? Yeah, man, our humble opinion. You understand? Yeah, but before we jump in it, we just want to say a special shout out to all the subscribers, all the persons who recently found the channel and subscribed. I just want to say, yo, big up on yourself and you don't know the thing, guys. You know me I say? And for the ones them we are listening as usual, the regular viewers them or the regular listeners them, bless up on yourself. You know me I say? Yeah, my people. Alright, so we're not even gonna take too long for jumping it, you see me? As I say, we analyze the space, and today we come for talk about the whole Fenty thing with Rihanna. You see me? Yeah, man. Now, I'm not go at her, so Rihanna fans, before they come at me, I'm not there have to criticize Riri. Well, not too tough still. You see me? Because um, I myself is a Rihanna fan. You see me? So, yeah, man, like, when I say me a Rihanna fan. I identify the talent that Rihanna have from she first come on the scene, and from that day, me actually appreciate her and her talent, what she, what she offer to this music thing and thing. Like, so maybe not a lot of persons will know, but when Rihanna just come on the scene, it was her and another person called Tierra Marie. Now, when I see how far back my gone, the real Rihanna fans them will know how far back my gone, Yeah, man. It was, they have a girl with the name Tierra Marie, or Tierra Marie. Hopefully, may I pronounce it right. Tierra Marie, somewhere there about. Now, it was the both of them. I one thing, the two of them did actually sign to the same label too, and the two of them did drop a song same time, one right after the other, like the same time frame. You see me? And I guess, I don't know, this is just my opinion. Me think the label kind of just the feel out to say, yo, which one of them are the better artists and who for run with. And me think them probably, did like Rihanna more. Now I'm gonna say them see more potential in a Rihanna, because trust me, me love Tierra Marie too. Honestly, I like her. You see me, the same love me have for Riri, and the same love me have for Tierra Marie too. You see me? Yeah, man. So I think the label, I guess them just pick one and then pick Rihanna, and the rest is history. We have Fenty and Wallworks. You see me? So the real Riri fans them will know how far me actually go back. So when me I say me a Rihanna fan, I not just a tear. You see me? A real thing. You understand? So yeah, I hope that prove too I say me a real Rihanna fan. So anyways, but they have a chat about the whole Fenty thing now. So as you know, Riri launched Fenty in a Jamaica. Zine? Now, she launched it a whole lot of other places in the Caribbean too, you see me? And honestly, me did think Riri should have there at Jamaica. Me did really feel so. Me think Rihanna this way for not showing up at Jamaica. Now there are rumors that she's pregnant again, or she might be pregnant again, and one bag of something. So maybe she not really, you know, able to fly right now or whatever. So if that are the case, Riri, we'll forgive you panda one day. But me never did the launch. Me no know. Me never did the launch still. But so me not even know if she did send like a video message or something to say hey Jamaica whatever. I don't know. Apart from the only promo where they put out for make we know say yo Shagga launch at Jamaica, man I see nothing else for say yo, whatever. But it just listen, not saying other places wouldn't excited, but remember Jamaica have a different love for foreign people and foreign things. So once it name foreign, once foreign mark pan it, Jamaicans are gonna show up. You see me? So the Jamaicans them show up, them come out. You see me? And remember, there's no middle ground with Jamaica. It's either 0 or 100. You see me? Either it or it well intense with we. Yeah, no middle ground no there when it come to Jamaica. Yeah. And the people them come out. You see me? Yeah, the people them come out and a lot of persons were hoping that Rihanna would have been there. And January, you weren't anywhere to be found. Janu, me no know. Me no know. Like, me feel away. Even though me never did it, but I mean, really, Rihanna, me know say Jamaica like your backyard. Enough time you even there and nobody no know say there. We know you've been in Jamaica from before you were this popular as well. You've been, so we know this, Rihanna. We know this. And after that same fact, then we are say, me think you should have there. Rihanna, you really should have there. If this happens to somehow reach your ears, Rihanna will feel away. Will feel away, Rihanna. You should have been there. You see me? And the people them show up. And the launch was held at two different locations on 2 different days. And the fact say you never there at the Kingston launch. See? The people them down Mobile still come out. I don't know if they were hoping that okay, probably she might come a Mobile. Yeah, probably she might come a Montego Bay. So maybe that's why them come out same way. Me know, but it was more of yo, this is Fenty. This a foreign something. And more that's why the people them come out. So yeah, them would have loved you being here would have just be the icing on the cake. You see me? Yeah, me I tell you, it would have just been me no know. It would have been the blush over the makeup. Me no know if that even makes sense. Me no know about makeup so. But what me I try say is really it would have just make everything so special. You see how and this is probably something totally different, but you see how what they are Messi did have to come at Jamaica. Yeah. Remember before that Messi missed 2 games. You see me? He missed 2 games back to back. But yet still he did after they had Jamaica because this is Jamaica. And the funny thing is about 2 weeks or so after that he had a game against Brazil. His home country, Argentina versus Brazil. He had a game there. So him could have just say, yo, make him sit out a game to cause him fatigue and just say, yo, make him go home, go save him strength for Argentina Brazil game. Him could have do that, but guess what? Dog no say yo a Jamaica this. So Rihanna me not like oh your water don't go thing and never there. But guess what? As me tell you in the beginning, how Jamaica love foreign people and foreign things. Yeah, we still a go buy your product them. Cause me myself I think forget some stuff for my girlfriend. Yeah, mommy, I get something for my girlfriend. And I've heard so much about the whole Fenty thing. Like every girl when me hear talk about it is like to how them describe it, it is nothing compared to other lines and makeup and lip gloss and lipstick and all of them things. It is like the creme de la creme of the whole beauty thingy. Yeah, so I decide say I want get my girlfriend some because I want she look nice too. Yeah, I want she look nice. You see me? I want she feel nice. So I say I go get my girlfriend something. So really, even though you know come and something still, we still I go buy up something. and you go stay. Mark my words now, Rihanna. If this happens to reach your ears, which I don't know if it will, but the internet is powerful, so I don't know. But Rihanna, you see to all the sales them are go good in a Jamaica. You you have to go make a trip. You are gonna make a trip come here, you know, and you're gonna apologize for not being at the launch. You see me? Because me tell you say members, me tell you there's no middle ground in Jamaica. And you see the mere fact say we love your things them, we love your product, it sales them are go they're gonna be it are gonna be blown out like you're not gonna you're never ever gonna see sales like this for a Caribbean country. Understand? We know your product might there other places across the world, but the mere fact says a Caribbean country, when you see them numbers here, you're not gonna can believe. And you're gonna say, damn, me should I really there at the lodge? You see me? Because that's how we Jamaicans stay. Once we love your things, we're gonna show you so we love you. And as I say, we're not a middle ground, so you're not gonna feel like we love you. You're gonna know so we love you because you're gonna see it. You see me? You're not gonna wonder if we love you. You get what I say? So here you so I just that I just come for talk about and tell you still, you know. Yeah. I just that I come about for talk and tell you. You see me? Yeah man. Cause trust me. And if this happen for reach your ears, like I'm willing to spend my money on something for my girlfriend. But the only problem I have is that I have zero experience with this makeup thingy, and she is dark and lovely. And you know how sometimes persons put on makeup and because them dark is like them face end up lighter than them actual complexion for them actual skin tone. Yeah. When a light skinned person probably put on makeup, you don't really get that a lot. But me notice it say sometime it's like them face look whiter. Yeah, me don't know what the cause for that. Maybe if a female listen this or some makeup experts, some makeup artists, then probably can explain in the comment section. But that's the only thing I would love for her to actually get a shade in the makeup will actually match our complexion. Yeah. That's the only thing more. I'm not ask for no discount or no nothing. But that's the only thing more. You see me? But big up yourself, still Rihanna. We honestly, trust me, musically, we love you, and business wise, we love you. We love you in the space, you see me? And we're disappointed that you weren't here. We're disappointed, but we're a forgiving people, so we forgive you. And as I say, we are gonna buy out. Trust me. Mark my words, you know. You're not gonna believe the numbers, because I saw Jamaicans stay. I saw Jamaicans stay. I ask them business people they will come invest, boy. I ask them, they love it, boy. Because for a country where we're supposed to can't afford certain things and this, that, me don't know where we find money from for spend. Trust me. I don't know, but yeah, man. But as I say, we're not gonna keep it that long. This is Candy Talk. Maybe a lot of persons never expected me to touch this topic, but it's Candy Talk. Once is something happening in the space, we're gonna talk about it and we're gonna be candid about it. Yeah, we're gonna be real about the whole situation, you see me? So thank you guys for listening. I understand. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. Alright, do remember to like the video, drop your comment in the comment section, share the video, share it out so you can reach over Rihanna ears. Me no know, share it. The more you share it, the closer I go to our ears drum. Share it. But big up for yourself, you know, my people. Don't know the thing going on. 876 by birth, you know. Thank you guys again for listening, alright? Yeah, subscribe to the channel, please, and thanks. Bless up. I'm out.
Yeah. Way on. Yeah. Yeah. Way on. Yeah. we are.